Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Groovy Vibes all the way. Today we are baking, yes, we are baking the Betty Crocker Oatmeal Chocolate Chip Cookie Mix. What? That's not skincare or noodles. Yeah guys, well, I decided let's try something different, alright? So anyways, what do we need to do here? Oh gosh, I heard this is the video to make nowadays. Like, this is where it's at. Like, everybody is doing this. So let's go ahead and hop on and make some cookies, yeah? So what do we need? What's the ingredients? Butter and 1 egg. Oh, that's simple. Wow, really? That's it? Huh. And just add all this stuff into it. Wow. Well, I think that's too easy. I think we need to do better, alright? Everybody's just following directions. I think we can do something better. Let's add my little specialty. I'll show you as we go along. Anyways, should we go to the kitchen? Should we just do everything here? Yeah, well, we got everything set up. We got everything set up. Let's just do it here, alright? Let's go get that bowl that we use the skincare in, that we wash our face, because that is going to be perfect. Alright, everyone, let's set everything up. Alright. Yeah. So, I got everything. Oh, okay. There it is. So, let me show you the original ingredients that you're going to be using. Like, not the way I'm going to. The way you normally do it is 3 things. This, butter, egg. That's it. Like, no milk. Like, what? No milk or water? What's going on with that? Betty Crocker, what? What? Nah, we're gonna step it up, guys, to the top. That's why you guys subscribe to this channel, alright? For the best of the best. That's right, alright. I mean, how would I know, right? This is my first time making this. Hopefully this turns out good, okay? We're attempting to make these cookies. Anyways, so let's go ahead and let this butter soften, because this thing is hard. You guys hear that? That is buttery. Butter, okay? Ooh, that's an egg in there. We don't want to crack that yet. Just listen. Hard butter. So wait. Hold on. What are we supposed to do here? Oh, come on, soften up. What are we supposed to sit on it and be like, yeah, all right, woo, yeah, sit on it, woo, subscribe. Did that soften it up? Actually, low key, it did a little bit. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, right there. All right, soften it up. Just put it in. Put this in, and we're good to go. Come on now. Oh, rip that crap off. Come on in. Oh, really? Oh my gosh. Why is this so difficult? We don't want to eat paper. There we go. We're good. Did you guys wash your hands? Yeah, we did. Let me see if that's the right way of doing it first. Are we supposed to put that in first? Okay, so why don't we let the butter sit, soften still, and let's start adding our dry goods. That's why we got the scissors right there. That's perfect. Look at that. What kind of scissors are these? Look at that. Look at that. Really? Falling apart. Come on. Good job. There we go. Pour all that in there. Look at that. Smells like chocolate chips. Get rid of that. Next, the secret ingredients. This is what I wanted to add right here is cake flour. We're gonna fluff these cookies up, right? Extra flavor, top of the line, exclusive. We're gonna use half a cup right here. So before we do that, we're going to use this little thingy right here to grind it up even more. So let's get their half a cup going. Is that half a cup? Probably not. It's probably even more. We don't want to screw this up, okay? I only provide the best of the best, so let's put this back in here. Yep, just like that. There we go. Not making a mess, right? We don't want to make messes. Okay. Take some of that off. Yep. Put it back in. We're good. Okay. Back on track. Alright, put this in there. Right, just like that. See? Hold on. Before we do that, let's go ahead and clean this up. Yep, get it all over the pants, right? Jeez. Next, we're going to use a teaspoon of baking powder. That's right, baking powder. Okay. Take that off. Half a teaspoon. Is that half? No, that's not half. There we go. That looks about right. Put that in there. Okay. Now that that's done with, now we're gonna shift it in there. Okay, just like that. Look at that. See that? That's the way we want to do it. Fine powder. Ooh. No clumps. Perfect. That's how it looks. Woo! Doing a really good job right now. I'm actually surprised. Everything's going well. Okay. Next we need to scoop it and mix it. Look at that. We got ourselves a stick. Yeah. Mix it. Mix. Yeah. Oof. That is perfect. Look at that. That's the way we want it. Mix all that in. Okay. Moving along. Yeah. Next, is the butter ready? No, butter's not ready. Alright. Okay, next is the egg. Add some egg in there. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. Mix that all in now. Getting some liquids going. Yep. Alright, now we're going to use this other secret ingredient is heavy whipping cream. We're going to use 2 tablespoons. Ooh, that is thick. Look at that. Woo! Alright. That's the way to do it. Nice and sticky. Oh, by the way, before even filming this video, I preheated the oven to 375, so remember that. Yeah, so still mix all this up. Starting to chunk up. Gotta start adding that butter soon. Is it not ready yet? Just if you're gonna make this, have your butter softened, okay? Way easier. Okay, look at that. Starting to crumble. Smells delicious. I'm very excited to actually try this. I want to see if my recipe is actually okay. Alright. Yeah. Hopefully. Yep. Okay. Let's wait till the butter is softened and we'll return. Well, the butter's melted, so let's go ahead and insert. Yeah, look at that. Look how melted that is. Woo! Juicing. Butter. All in there. Get it all in. And mix it all. Keep mixing. Keep going. Come on. Spin it around. No, we're not supposed to spin it. We're supposed to mix it. That's what we're supposed to do here. Oh, there we go again with the spinning. Seriously, again? No. Settle down. There we go. Mix. Just mix this all up. Okay, well, it's all mixed well. So let's go ahead and grab our cookie sheet right here and make balls. Place it on. Okay. No. Okay. Hands are clean. Okay. Is that a good size? Yeah. Let's see how many we can make. There we go. We got ourselves a good amount here. We're gonna be able to eat all this? We'll see. See if they're even edible. Oh yeah, moving along. Was that 3 right now? 3 cookies. These are really sticky, by the way. That's the way we want them. There we go. Push them down a bit. It's a little off to the edge. I'm a little scared. What if it comes off, right? We don't want that. Oh, jeez. But that should be the right size. Okay, 9 cookies. Good to go. Let's place them in the oven for, I say, 12 to 13 minutes. Get in there. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Set the timer. And 12 minutes. We'll say 12 minutes, yeah. All right, we'll see you back in 12 minutes. Woo! I want cookies. Wow, look at those. They are ready to go. Let's get them out. Come on out. Yes, cookies. Wow. So we gotta get these cookies right here where they'll cool off. See that sheet? Look at that. That's right. That's how they're gonna cool off. See the space between them? Oof. Let's not ruin them now. Ooh, it slides right off. Look at that. Wow. There we go. Oh man. These are legendary cookies. Ooh, not falling apart. Yeah. Here we are, guys. It is time. They are cooled off. Perfection right there. Now let's see if they taste as good as they look, right? Yeah. Ooh. Wow, guys, these are amazing. So fluffy, thick, chocolate. I'm telling you, if it wasn't for that cake batter, baking soda, heavy whipping cream, these things would be flat. Oh my god. Come on. Maybe I'm the cookie master now. Seriously, these are unbelievable, especially when they're warm. Look at that. They're so fluffy. Yeah. Oh. 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 Oh, cookies. Ah, yeah. Oh, I love it. I love it. Well, anyways, guys, grab one if you want it before I eat them all, because, wow. Well, bye-bye. Cookie. If you want more of these, let me know and I'll make a series out of them. Bye.